Wow, it feels so great to be here back in Goa.
I'm just happy to be back home.
Yeah. Don't you think we should have our own dream home now that we're in Goa, It's so lovely. Yeah, we should have one here.
We definitely have to have our own place, a place of our own.
Yeah.
That we're back to Goa.
Now that we are already on holiday, why don't we look for a home now itself? We should do that, don't you think so?
That is a good idea. We've been delaying it for a long time.
Yeah.
Let's do it this time.
Okay,
What we'll do is let's board a cab.
Yeah.
And maybe I'll give a call to a few of our friends.
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah.
Let's board a cab. Yeah, come.
Here's the cab.
Docs, what do you think should be in our dream home? What do you want? What criteria do you want?
Actually, I always wanted a gym.
Yeah.
A gym, something to keep me healthy, a jogger's track, maybe cycling,
Definitely.
swimming pool.
Yeah, what else?
A restaurant? That would be something amazing.
That would be really nice. And since we are planning of, starting our family here, something that accommodates everything, like the kids also,
Something
like to
whole
take
family.
care of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and our parents also, so that we can move in together.
Yeah, I'll give a call to Johnny.
Okay.
Maybe he'll be able to help us with this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should do that.
I'll just give him a call.
Okay.
Hello? Hi, Johnny.
Hi.
Hi, Roxanne here. Yeah, long time.
Tell me.
Just back from, we're back from our trip.
Oh, you're back in Goa.
Nice to hear your voice after a long time. Just a minute, I'll just put you on speaker so Lenoshka can speak with you. Just a minute. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, hi, Johnny. All good?
Hi, good.
So, yeah, that's what Rox was saying, that we're looking for a home that meets all our needs. And you said that, from what I got, that you also think you know of such a place. Is that right?
Definitely. Nanushka, what the requirement and the kind of people you are, both of you, I think the perfect property would be MVR Laguna Azul at Daboli. I think you should go visit. It's worth the time that you spend there.
Wow, sounds fantastic.
What I'll do, I'll send you the location and then you can go visit.
Okay.
That'll be great. Please send us a location. We'll take a look right away.
Definitely. Good to hear that you're back here in Goa.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Johnny.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Okay, we'll take a look right away.
Yeah, just wait for his thing.
Location?
And then we'll tell the cab to go there itself.
Yes,
Let's do it
MVR
itself.
Homes
Laguna Azul.
Zone. That sounds nice.
Hi, this is Jyoti Lakshmi, GM Sales for MVR Homes. How can I help you?
I'm Minoshka De Silva. This is my husband, Roxanne Gomes.
Pleasure meeting both of you.
So, we are looking to make Goa our home, and we heard from a friend about MVR Laguna Azul, and we came here to look at it ourselves and know more about it from you.
Great. There is nothing like making Goa as your home. It's really special altogether.
Lovely.
And MVR Homes have created intelligent homes, basically taking care of each and every member of the family. Whenever you look out for home, the first thing you see that you are happy in your home. Secondly, it should be secure for you and your family members. Third thing is that whenever you have to rush here and there, last thing we look is that someone should be there. There should be a help or some kind of things. So each and every criteria, each and every part of our life, it is inculcated and made. All the buildings are Vastu compliant. That means Vastu plays a very big role in our life because all the 5 energies are very important in our life. So Vastu compliant, so you have the perfect light and energy balancing. That is one thing.
That is also taken.
Second thing is that we have brought certain points or amenities into this, which is not yet, the concept is not yet used over here.
Okay.
Whereas you have come from abroad, so you very well know you are exposed to the best of living standards.
And we want it according to those international
Absolutely.
standards.
But when you come down somewhere or other, you compromise because you don't get them. Why don't we have a seat and take a look at the brochure? Lenoshka and Rox, this is the brochure of the company. I would like you to take a look at it, please.
It says MVR Homes Beyond Luxury. What's this Beyond Luxury?
Beyond luxury is actually, in a short way, you can call it intelligent homes. Now, in the apartment segment, we will be the first people who will be having CCTV cameras across the project. Apart from them, whenever we go and stay some 5-star or 7-star resorts, that's when we see a plunge pool, or we see a rooftop jogging track, or you see a rooftop barbecue, or you see a rooftop restaurant. So these are the amenities which we have bought for us, we the middle class who would love to stay, enjoy everything what even the elite enjoys. So that gives a chance. For middle class, this kind of amenities are anytime beyond luxury. So that's why we kept the tagline, Laguna Azul Beyond Luxury.
Oh wow. Okay, so it's beyond luxury.
Absolutely. And since you guys, you have come from abroad, you're exposed to the most of the best international living standards. I've heard many of the customers when they come down, they come from London, they come from Dubai, they say they're looking out for a house. But then they wonder like, oh my God, this is not there, that is not there, where will I? The kids don't have better schools, colleges. You know, nothing is like that. It's not like the same thing. We want to change that. That Goa also, I mean, Goan builders can also bring this kind of amenities and specifications which you can define as beyond luxury.
Wow, sounds truly luxurious.
That is what we're looking for actually, something to match up with the international standards.
So you mentioned about the pool. What about the gym? Is because that's also one of the
in
things.
Laguna Azul, everything you will get double.
Oh,
Now, when we mention about the pool, you have infinity pool, of course. When you mention the jogging track, you have again double. One will be the rooftop jogging track. One will be the ground level jogging track. Same
So
comes
you
for
can-
the same mentions for the fitness freaks. Nowadays, we all are health conscious. The people either they hit on the gym or they need to swim, or after a workout they like to take a sauna. So even the gym is double again. You have a gym on the 7th floor facing the water. You can face the water and do your workout and take a sauna, a steam bath, I mean to say. Or if you are not in the mood to go on the top, you need the average jogging, then you have a jogging track at the ground level as well.
Wow. So you have 2 jogging tracks, swimming pool, sauna, a gym, 2 gyms.
That's right.
That's nice.
what about for kids?
Now kids are the naughtiest ones. In our time, we never thought anything to play. They are so tech savvy, gadget savvy. In our time, till today, even if I get a new phone, I have to find and sit and learn for some time. These people are born with mobile phones. They can change your screensaver. Even a toddler of 2 years, you know, in and out everything. So you can't give them the ordinary things and make them happy. They like adventures. Kids are actually nowadays more adventurous, so we have given them rock climbing. They have cycling track. So, you know, the fun kind of activities or adventurous kind of activities. We have provided sandpit. So you enjoy the day whenever you feel like your friends have come or you have the friends in the society. Just enjoy.
So they'll be kept busy. The kids
Totally
will be-
busy. And the best part is that they won't become an idiot box. They'll not watch
Right,
the TV.
yeah.
They have
They'll be
lot of
more
things
active.
To, yes.
And what
Activities we have
about,
provided.
Senior citizens, because we are looking to
Absolutely.
get our parents
So your
also along
dad
with
and mom
us.
are staying with
yes.
you? Keeping this in mind, in all the 3 BHKs, we have provided a maid's quarter. Maid quarters is basically the need of the hour. Now couples, both of them work. Highly educated couples, they definitely work and you have to maintain up your standards as well. In such case, if the parents are left alone, or so maybe they are sick, they need some attendant to look after. Or your kids are there, you both have gone out, you need round the clock maid. So definitely you cannot accommodate maid in any of your rooms. So we have made a very different setup. The entrance of the maid quarter is from the kitchen. So that means if your guests have come or someone has come, you want your privacy is also maintained. At the same time, she is a part of the member, she is also given her own space, and your parents and your kids are looked well after.
Oh, that's nice.
So do you have kids?
Yeah, we do, and we'll be shifting along with our parents as well. So this sounds like everything that we are looking for.
Yes, like the whole package in one place. You don't have to move out of the area just to enjoy all these things.
Absolutely. One more thing we kept in mind is that when you buy nowadays homes, of course homes, it does not come cheap. You definitely take a loan and you buy and all that. There's another one thing which people don't part with. It's an essential part of the life. That are cars. They are cars actually. And nowadays you spend a bomb on cars. So here in Laguna Azul, we have ensured that we have minimum 700 car parking. Normally what happens whenever a visitor comes to the society, they have to keep the car outside and they have to walk. Whereas here it's totally different. We'll be having a professional management for car parking. That means that each 2 BHKs will be given 1 car park, each 3 BHKs will be given 2 car parks, and there will be professional management settlement. Suppose someone has come, so the car will be well kept and maintained for. We'll be having a very majestic plaza, entrance plaza, so that will be having some waterfalls and all. It will be well kept, and we have our own systems for when it comes to garbage, when it comes to water. Now water is, now people tell the more the population, how are you going to help up with the water and power? Now here in our system what we have done is we have implemented rainwater harvesting. We very well know, like the coastal states like Goa, Kerala and West Bengal, we have the highest in rainfall. So what we do is we collect this rainwater, is collected in a sump. Not only that water is reusable for gardening or pool or washing, but your beds, the earth bed, they are regenerated with water, they become rich with water. So at such time when your earth bed is rich with water, we can have a borewell system. So this borewell system will be your site indigenous water supply. That means you can use the municipal, the government, whatever the water they supply, you can use that for cooking, drinking or bathing or water. But for the rest all things you can use this rainwater sump, which will definitely have all the systems and mechanisms to see the water is absolutely potable. This is one thing we have done to take care of the water thing. Second thing is power. Obviously when so many homes are there, lightings, what they will look is lightings, the common lightings. Your light bill comes a lot. So here we have decided that each and every common, your lobbies, your basements, parkings or the terrace, everywhere it will be done in LED lightings. So LEDs, it normally consumes very less power, very power efficient. So in long run, your outgoing maintenance bill which comes, that will be quite less. The light and water will not be a big hit on that. Third thing is the plumbing fixtures which we are giving in all the apartments. Normally when the home where I stay, it's quite old home. So when I let the tap open, the water runs off and quite a lot of water wastage. Here we are using smart low plumbing water fixtures. That means your plumbing fixtures and your tap fixtures are done in such a way, they will only spend that much water, or it will control the passage of water or the water let out as per your use. There won't be extra flow or extra wastage, because water day by day is going to become definitely a precious commodity. And for seeing that our environment is rich and green, we will definitely regenerate with lots of plants. We will ensure that the central irrigation system will be in place where you will have lots of greenery, and this will be supported by the rainwater harvest.
So MVR is catering to everything, including the environment and being
very eco-friendly. It is actually eco-friendly. Please come. This is the showcase apartment we have made. It's a 3 BHK apartment. Yeah. We basically designed in such a way, designed and done the work in such a way which actually gives you the feel of a home when you buy, that you could totally visualize yourself actually.
This is amazing.
So this is the living area.
I love the colors, the choice of colors, everything
Absolutely.
is amazing.
Absolutely. I mean, a home is a home. At the end of the day, it makes you feel warm and cozy.
Yes.
And the dining area.
Okay,
So
this is the dining.
that's right. A 6-seater. So that means even if you have more members also, they can be comfortably accommodated. And of course, this is the kitchen space.
Okay. Very nice.
We kept a place for the hob also. So now we have seen the living, the kitchen and the dining space. So we'll just go and see the master bedroom. So bedroom set. We have provided space for TV in all the rooms. And now we know that we cannot live without Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi has become an integral part. Most of the people carry their work at home. So without Wi-Fi, nothing happens. So we have provided internet points as well. In olden days, the first thing was a television or a phone cable point, a BSNL point. Then came the cable point. Then came the the intercom points. So now we have the internet Wi-Fi points. Apart from this,
Nice.
wardrobe. The idea of putting the mirrors on the wardrobe is that so you don't need a separate dressing table as such. So we have everything. Yeah. Now let's go to the day of the magnificent view.
Oh my God.
This is one of the most magnificent view one can ever find.
Wow.
Very much in the lap of nature.
This is amazing.
Very much in the lap of
just
nature.
amazing.
This
Wow.
is what we want to wake up to every morning.
Every morning, absolutely. No need of going for yoga classes anywhere. You can sit here and do meditation. Look at the
Maybe
water.
some bird watching also.
Absolutely, absolutely. You can see all the thick greens. This is the beauty of Goa. Goa means basically nature, natural landscape and in the lap of nature. So would you like to go and see the other bedroom? Yes. Please come. By the way, we have provided planters.
Okay.
I mean, some people are so fond of gardening, but when they don't stay in houses, they don't have the liberty of planting. You can definitely keep flower pots, etc. But these planters are provided. That means you can plant your little plants over here. You can see your fresh blooms along with the sun, light and water. So it's absolutely 100%. Yeah. Perfect sunrise and sunset. Absolutely. And when we think about home, the first thing is that we are made of 5 elements. We try to search those 5 elements. That is earth, water, sky, greenery, mud. So this is what we long to look out. And here it is in surplus. Anywhere you look, anywhere your eyes run, you get the soothing feel. You feel immediately soothed, but just by seeing the water, just by looking at the greenery. There is nothing more calm and meditative in your life, just having a look at the green. You look at now this planter which is provided. Every day you see your small leaves sprouting out, it's growing up, small buds budding out, the flowers coming. These are certain joys which nothing can provide. These are the natural joy, instant joy, which make you so happy. It actually lets you to forget all the stress you had the whole day long. Yeah. Once you're back home, there's nothing like it. This is the common toilet. Okay. We have provided wash basin outside because if you have guests who have they have come for party and all, so it's an easy wash. Apart from that, we have provided wash basin inside as well.
Okay.
I'll just take you to the second bedroom. The second and third bedroom both are having bathrooms.
Okay.
That's because suppose your parents are there, so it will be convenient for them to use the bathroom. This is the second bedroom or the master bedroom. That can be your bedroom. And I would like to take you to see the view. Here, this is the second view. All the bedrooms ensure that you have a perfect view, whether it is the greens or the waters. So it's not that only you will enjoy or your kids will enjoy. How many of our members are there, and whichever their rooms are, every one of them have a view to be happy and carry lots of cheers on the face. Now I'll show you the last and the final bedroom. This we have done it simply designed. There are slight changes. That's only for the interiors. Then it comes to the master bedroom. Again, like we said, master bedroom. Each and every bedroom is connected with solar heating panels. So you have hot water around the year. So again we have the water charged electrically. So in this monsoon days, it is electrically charged on that, and still hot water will be there. So 24/7 we will ensure that hot water is there. So we are using solar energy. We are using the water, that is rainwater, water harvesting energy, earth energy. And apart from that, everything, whatever the fixtures or whatever we are doing, whether it's gardening or anything and everything related to house, it's absolutely eco-friendly. We will be having professional people to ensure that the garbage is taken care of, everything is taken care of. Yes. I would like that you further come with your parents also, so they also know what it is exactly. And Rox, Lenoshka, the most vital part of the house is the kitchen. You have lots of plug points for your microwave, juicer, blender, toaster.
I see all the
Modular things.
space is
Yes.
very good.
Exactly.
So this is where we'll be cooking our stuff.
It's good ventilation as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that
the happiest part is when you leave the door open. You need not even put any lights on or anything. It's quite breezy, quite cozy, comfortable to cook.
It's everything that a modern kitchen needs.
Absolutely. You have all the modular kitchens, your storage to track all your, store all your cutleries and your daily use materials. Everything is kept. It's
very
well planned.
Yes.
So that means there's not a lot of scattering around you. It's a very systematic plate kitchen. Now, like we have given extra plugs and power points, we have given the refrigerator place. Now, there's another integral part of our system is washing machine. So we have given inlet and outlet. There's a utility balcony, and we have given inlet and outlet for your washing machine to be placed there. So you can wash it, and there is ample space to even dry out. You can keep your clothesline over there and dry your clothes as well. Normally, people do have the habit that when they wash clothes, they put it outside the living balcony and all. That really spoils everything. The beauty, the aesthetic appeal is gone. So you have ample space to keep your clothesline as well as your washing machine in the utility itself.
Okay, that's nice. And I just had one more question.
Yes.
Since we have senior citizens living with us, and there were times when we come late home from work, and we like somebody to take care of them until then.
Domestic help.
A domestic
Of
help.
course, domestic help to get anyone from this area is quite quickly, because I myself shifted out over here. So there is no dearth of domestic help. Keeping that in line, we have even provided maid's quarter. Now, for example, he's a banker, you're a doctor, you stay late night hours, your kids are small, they go to school, so someone to look after them, pick them up, feed them, or put them to sleep. So you need a domestic help who will be at a family member technically to be with you. We have provided maid quarters, and she's having her own space.
So you have a space just for the maid?
Yes, in fact, we have given a kitchen, a door next to the kitchen itself, so that she can open the door from, yes. So your privacy is maintained. Technically, the entrance, we have it at the main entrance also, but suppose you have lots of guests and you feel that it's quite private or whatever it is. So the door is connected to the kitchen. She can just come and go out any time of the kitchen. And not only that, suppose in future, suppose someone is sick at home or you need to keep a nurse at home, so she very well can be accommodated in that as well. So I'll just take you to the maid quarters.
Sure.
So this is the entrance for, that's right. So she can enter directly from the kitchen. She's having her own bathroom. She's having her own bed space.
And her own privacy.
Absolutely, absolutely. A separate room for her. So she's having her own time also, like.
Privacy first.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you, Jyoti. We had a nice tour. We enjoyed. We really love this place. But before we make this our dream home, there's just a few questions we wanted to ask you.
Surely, why not? Please have a seat.
So we have another very important member of our family, right?
Okay.
It's we have a dog. We love pets.
Okay.
And quite a few goans also love animals.
Myself too is a very.
And
Great
you know
avid
that
lover,
they are
yes.
part of the family.
Absolutely,
so,
absolutely.
So is this area pet friendly?
Absolutely, because nowadays all the pets we have, they are well trained, well behaved. So one can definitely have a pet. Why not? And nowadays kids, they can't stay also without pets. Definitely.
That's the main thing. Actually, we love animals. We love pets, and we wanted to make her a part of our.
Yeah.
Wherever we go, we wanted to take her.
So now it's complete. It's actually complete.
Yeah,
We
this-
absolutely loved it. Thank you so much for this.
My pleasure.
This is our dream home.
Yeah, this is our dream home. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
I think we found our dream home.
Yes, I think we have. But what is important is for you to come here and have a look yourself at MVR Homes Laguna Azul and spare your valuable time because it is really worth it. And even you can find your dream home.